Today we are here with my new topic motion charts. How to create motion charts or animation charts in Tableau. We all of know that most of the times moving pictures are better than stationary still ones. The charts and graphs that you have learned so far in this module all are static in advanced module and in the previous one basic module. So motion charts are dynamic. They move on the screen. Due to this, they are also known as animation charts. They are mostly used to display change in data over time, over month, over year. So let's learn how to create motion charts in Tableau. So we are using same dataset over here too. And let's we learn how to make motion charts. First of all, let's drag and drop sales. There is the sales. Put sales here. Simply drag and drop. And put profit here. There is a profit. Let's do what's going on. Put sales here. Put profit here. So this is a chart created by Tableau on sales and profit subcategory. How much is sale in every subcategory of the dataset? So let's add it motion chart. Add a title. We are going to put here name motion charts. Apply and OK. This is the name. Now, there is the subcategory. Simply drag and drop subcategory on detail. So you can see the details of each subcategory. There, these are the subcategories. If you want, you can increase the size of the each subcategory presented here. And if you want, you can also change the shape to this or any other one. Now put category on colors. So how we can see the different categories having different colors and presenting two different subcategories. This is the beauty of Tableau. Now I will putting motion effect in this. Motion effect would be based on the month level. The chart will keep on moving and keep on incrementing the month one by one. Now how to do this? I will pick up order date. There is no order date. Simply drag and drop order date to the section pages. This product ID is here by default. This is not here. Simply drag and drop order date to the pages section. Now we can see here is a filter type thing is created, and first what you can do, you can go here and by simply clicking here we can change this to the month. Then you can see by month level here is a controller is created: April, June, July, August, up to where it there are up to the month there are details in the data set. It will produce on the motion chart and will keep controlling the chart. It will keep the data filtering on the basis of the month. In the month of January, what was the sales? In the month of February, what was the sales? September, October. By keeping this in forward and backward position, we can see in each subcategory how much was the sale. Now, if we want slow speed, this is the title. If we want fast speed, we can use this. If this is that we have to move on fast, then we can move by this. This is the controller. If we are using fast motion, this is how changing. If we are using slow, how this how this controller is working. It is working in a slow speed. So this is all about motion charts. We can have some different types of thing, like if we go to edit title here, we can go to insert. We can also have here insert page name. Not here. We can have here insert page name. If we do apply and OK, see motion chart for May, motion chart for June, motion chart for August. These are the things we can change. So if we want to have some other details too, what we can do, we can have some changes from here too. See, if we change month order in measure form, then here will be the year 2 came, January 11, Feb 11. If we go here on fast one, then what we will see, remember, month wise, whenever the data is possible in our data set, it is showing the month wise, year wise detail. So if we click on show history, it will also show the details on different basis. See. So friends, I hope you understood how to create motion charts and how we can have different type of details on our Tableau dashboard. I hope you understood all the things I have created, and please keep on practice from the sample superstore dataset for different type of categories for different types of things. Here you have choose sales and profit. You can have some other measures and dimension there, and you can create different type of motion.